I'm gonna blow up American Dad.
On the porch.
Disgusting. Disgusting. Oh.
You smell?
I got 8 chicken tenders on the table. 8 chicken tenders is on the table. Alright, I'm ready to go eat in the living room.
Wow, I'm completely shocked. I'm completely shocked with Alex since he got that sugar off the carpet. This is so bad. It stinks outside. In fact, I think it's raining inside Mike's Yukon. It's raining inside his truck. It stinks, 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 stinks.
He peed on the dog.
You peed on my door? Do you want me to take him out and put him on the bag?
Yeah.
Kurt, you need to read your letter. It's time for you to let me know. No! The letter. No one knows. Letting you know. Reading the letter. 90 is bitch. 90 is fat. 90 is monster. Maggie needs to be burned in the lava. And Maggie needs to go herself. Why would you say that? That's disgusting. How dare you slap me? I'm gonna tear this letter up, and then ripping your papers and letters. I hope Maggie dies forever, and I hope Maggie gets shot right in the heart. I love Penny more than I love Maggie, because Maggie is going to die in the lava. Please stop sending death threats to the very large dog. No, Penny's life would be better if Maggie doesn't exist. Stop it, Kurt. No, Maggie is a very stinky large f***ing-ass dog that smells like sugar, and Maggie is going to die in the lava. Can you stop? Maggie will lose her bark. Evil foster parents can lock Maggie in the closet for a week. Her evil foster dad and her evil foster mother can bully Maggie a lot. Everybody hates Maggie so much.
Mom? Mom?
Yeah, baby?
You are not.
But first I'm gonna hold you. Coming in, but a black hole has been detected in Waxahachie, Texas.
Well, how much time do we have?
Minutes at best.
Daddy, I'm scared.
It's okay, baby.
Lem's toy.
He stole Emma's toy? Oh no, what toy did he steal?
Have a little surprise.
Her little trike?
Have a little surprise.
Emma's little surprise? Oh. We'll get it back, won't we?
Alright, me and Gay Bar in the basement, putting on some angry music.
He doesn't have a right to molest me.
Okay, so, I'm sitting on the office chair. I have 8 chicken tenders before I get on my game.
My text to 64,000 you could receive recurring automated marketing messages from my IQ Bar message and data rates may apply. No purchase required. Terms apply. Available at eat.iqbar.com/policy/terms of service.
Some things are good for your body, like ab twists. Some things are good for your mind, like geography. That's Madagascar. Occasionally, you find things that are good for both, like a library gym. Or IQ Bar, the #1 brain and body nutrition company in America. IQ Bar makes plant protein bars, hydration mixes, and mushroom coffees that are all delicious, low to no sugar, and support physical and mental performance. Shop now at iqbar.com.
Now, where are the 25-pound books? the keys is up in there? Sheesh. You got your flashlight on. Is it dark? No.